Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a birthday look. My birthday is on Friday, coming up this week, the 14th of March. So I decided that I would just do a look for my birthday. So if you want to see, continue watching, my friend. Okay guys, so I have this eyeshadow in front of me here that I'm going to use, and it's from Sephora Mega Mix eyeshadow palette. So I already moisturized my face and do my brow. So this is the eyeshadow palette today that we are going to use on the face for the birthday look. So let's start off. We are going to go into this color right here, this brown color, and I'm gonna start off with this color, and I'm gonna put it on the outer corner of my eye. try out this foundation today for the first time from Revolution is the Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation with SPF of 15. And I know that is a little bit dark for my skin tone, but I'm still gonna try it out and see if I can work with it. When I picked it up, I didn't really realize that it was so dark until I get home, and I didn't use it, but I just tried to put a little bit on my hand to see. So let's talk about how it is. You can see it's a bit on the darker side. So this is what I'm going to do on my skin. I can see it's a little bit darker than me. So on Friday, you can wish me happy birthday, which is the 14th of March, going to be my birthday. So this is my final birthday look for my birthday. I end up using this Sephora Mega Mix palette from Sephora. It's affordable eyeshadow palette, you guys. You have some beautiful colors. You have some glitter with chunk, which I don't really like chunk eyeshadow. And also, I try out their Revolution Skin Silk Luminous Serum Foundation with SPF of 15. This, guys, is an amazing. I don't know. I keep saying that Revolution foundation, the eyeshadow, the concealer, they are the bomb. And I'm not joking about these are really, really great product. They're affordable in England, but when you bought them here, you pay a little extra for it. But I still got my hand on this one here. And then this is the eyeshadow. That I also pair with the lip. I buy this. This is from the Beauty Supply. It's Icon lipstick, which is really of a nice shade for a dark skin girl. So these are the what I use today, except for the powder and other thing, but these are the main product that I use for this look today. So please like my video, share my video, do subscribe to my channel, turn on notification bell, and when I do upload a video, you can be notified. I want to say God bless you. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I know I haven't really uploading really a lot on this channel, but I am here. I just have another channel that I pay more attention to than this one. So God bless you, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.